Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting NIO stock price trends. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider a stock's price movements beyond a month. This channel only provides short-term stock price forecasts, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe. NIO stock has been fluctuating at a high level for the past 4 days. This suggests that bulls are less willing to push the stock price higher. Due to the lack of catalysts for further gains and the company's upcoming second quarter earnings report, trading has become very cautious. The 30-minute chart shows that from August 25th to 28th, bulls attempted to push the stock price higher but were suppressed by bears, suggesting some capital exited the market. However, judging by trading volume, the cumulative outflow of funds over the past 4 days has been limited. Although the stock is currently facing correction pressure, bulls are clearly signaling support for the price. This suggests that a significant amount of long capital may still be holding at the low end of the market. However, the current sell-off appears to be ongoing, and the stock price may still experience further downward adjustments. The stock saw significant volume growth between August 19th and 21st, suggesting a significant influx of long investors. If the stock price falls below $5.60, it will re-enter support, and there's a high probability that long investors will re-enter and drive a rebound. The stock's position distribution shows a significant increase in positions in the $5.95 to $6.81 range over the past 5 days, suggesting a significant outflow of funds. This is certainly a negative sign, but it's still premature to declare $6.81 the top of this uptrend. The stock still has significant positions below $5.60, suggesting that long investors who entered at lower levels haven't fully exited the market, which is considered a positive sign. However, this position distribution pattern suggests that profit-taking has already begun, allowing short-term investors to take profits, and that there's still room for further downward movement. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. The company will release its second quarter 2025 results before the U.S. market opens on September 2nd. Wall Street analysts expect NIO to report a loss of 31 cents per share in the second quarter, compared to a loss of 34 cents per share in the same period last year. The company's second quarter sales forecast is $2.73 billion, with an estimated range of $2.52 billion to $2.91 billion. The company recently launched its new 3-row SUV, the ES8, which is now available for pre-order in China. To better compete with Tesla's latest 6-seater model, NIO also lowered prices for its long-range model line. The stock has risen nearly 90% in the past 2 months. This may be due to the positive impact of the continued rise in the Chinese stock market, but the company's fundamentals remain concerning. China's sluggish economy, weak consumer demand, and fierce competition in the electric vehicle market remain uncertainties. Profit margins, delivery capabilities, and cost control remain uncertain. These factors determine the upper limit of the stock price. Technical analysis. Although the current share price remains relatively high, the sell-off appears to be ongoing. Further downward correction is possible, but the downside is likely limited. If the company's second quarter earnings beat market expectations, the stock could rally further after a limited pullback, potentially even reaching the $7.50 level again. However, if it falls short of expectations, the stock could fall back below $5.50. With one trading day remaining until the company's second quarter earnings report, there's a strong chance the stock price will correct downwards, but we don't expect it to fall below $5.95. I remain cautiously optimistic about the company's stock price after its second quarter earnings release. Despite the stock's lackluster gains, the market sell-off has been minimal, suggesting that bullish sentiment hasn't significantly weakened. Therefore, the stock could rally further after a limited pullback. As for my price target, I've set it around $7.50. Okay, guys, that's my price forecast for NIO stock. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.